Nuclear urgency. Nuclear urgency. Emergency. The Australian government informs the population that the People's Republic of China has broken off relations with our nation. After that, it threatened a large number of nuclear bombings on Australia. The weakened United States tried to help, but its military level became very weak. Only the nations that can help us are Japan, the United Kingdom, India, South Korea and France. The anti-missile system of Indonesia and the Philippines saw on their radars 2 nuclear missiles heading towards Sydney, Australia and Jakarta, Indonesia.